I lost everything today and only had my phone, I would still make 50,000 every month in Nigeria. Here's exactly how. Most people think you need money to start making money, but that's not true. All you need is your phone, internet, and the right strategy. Welcome to WealthForge Africa, where we show you real ways to make money online using simple tools and AI. Step 1. Use free tools like ChatGPT to create content. You can generate captions, ads, business posts, and marketing messages. And guess what? People need this every single day. Step 2. Go to WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram. Search for small business owners, vendors, and online sellers. Most of them struggle with content. Step 3. Send them a simple message like, "Hi, I help businesses create engaging posts that attract customers. I can help you grow your page." Keep it simple and direct. Step 4. Offer your service for a small fee. Even if it's 2,000 to 5,000 per client. Just 10 clients equals 50,000. Step 5. Deliver good work. Then repeat and improve. The more you do it, the more you earn. If you're serious about making money online in Nigeria, don't wait. Start today. Like and subscribe to WealthForge Africa for more real methods.